Okay, what's up YouTube? Tech Mama is back again here. So if you're new to my channel and like my videos, hope you guys subscribe. Okay, today I'm gonna show you my new intelligent turn signal for bicycle. So I'm gonna open it up. So this is brand new. I got this as a gift, but if you want to give this to somebody else as a gift too, you can check the link down below. So this is Findenor. Now let's open it up. So this is the light. Okay, the light. Micro USB charging cable. This attachment for the bicycle right there, and the remote. So this is the remote, and what else in here? So just a sticker at the back right here, and there are some rubbers for adjustment. You want to put it in the back of your seat. I mean, when you put it on the bike seat, it needs a little grip, so you need this rubber right here. And now I'm gonna charge this first before we use it. So as you can see right now, I'm charging the remote and the signal light. So this is the cable that comes with it. It only comes with one micro USB charging cable, but if you have a spare, you can use it also, so you can charge them at the same time. So right now it's red. The light is red. It will turn to green when it's fully charged. So we're gonna come back later and we're gonna install it to my bike and we're gonna try it out. So now I'm back and this is ready to use, and I'm gonna show you now how to pair this bike lights. So this is the manual right here. It says you need to press the power button at the same time 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So that's the light. When it turns red, that means it's connected. So we're gonna try the right turn signal. Oh shoot, it's upside down, sorry. So that's the that is the left signal right there. And if you want to turn it up, turn it again, press it again. And if you want to go to the right, so press this. If you want to stop, there. So now let's turn the red warning light button. So if you just want to blink, think this one. If you want it to be seen at night and you wanna, this one is the right button for you. The blinking light. Turn it off. So this one right here, if you want to go brake, you can also use this if you want to go brake and you want to warn the people behind you. So you can press this right here, or you can press it right here. See that? So you can actually press it, long press it if you want to go brake. So right there. So this is the turn up. Let me see if I can turn it up. There. I'll turn it up too. There you go. So that's how you use it. So now we're gonna install this in my bike.